Good evening. In November 2020, presidential elections were held in United States of America. And after a long counting, it has been very clearly declared that Joe Biden of Democratic Party has got the lead, meaning he will be the next president of United States of America. But the president of America, Mr. Donald Trump, has challenged the results every time. And in various courts, 60 suits have been filed, and all the 60 suits have been rejected. But even after that, the president, Mr. Donald Trump, said very clearly that he is going to continue as the president. As a last resort, he asked his supporters to go and attack the Capitol. And this is the worst incident that happened ever in the history of America. That is considered to be a big shame to the democracy. And America is considered to be the oldest democratic country in the world. So that is the oldest democracy in the world. And this is considered to be a big shame. And the entire world has criticized the actions of Mr. Donald Trump. Later, he asked his supporters to withdraw and go home. Then he agreed that he will be cooperating with Joe Biden for the peaceful transfer of the power. But large number of members in America, in Congress of America, that is Senate and House of Representatives, so the members have taken very seriously and they have demanded the vice president to take action immediately and to invoke the 25th Amendment. What is this 25th Amendment? This 25th Amendment that was done in the year 1967 will permit the vice president and the cabinet by a majority to remove the president from the position. And this is a serious demand. And if it is not done, Mr. Donald Trump will be impeached. So this is according to the sources. But how long? The new president, Mr. Joe Biden, will take over on January 20th, which is very, very nearby. January 20th, 2021, which is very nearby. But will they wait for these few days and leaving Donald Trump? Or they want to take it very seriously and impeach the president? So we need to wait and watch. But this 25th Amendment is very much there in the news and you need to know about that. Now I am opening the document and kindly have a look at this. So here it is. What is the 25th Amendment? This amendment was ratified in the year 1967. In the year 1967, created a legal mechanism for designating a head of the state, when the president is disabled or dead. If the president dies or if the president is disabled, then somebody can be designated as the head of the state. And this amendment also formalized the historical practice for the vice president to permanently take over if the president dies or resigns, and gives the president and the Congress shared power to replace a vice president. Very, 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 very important. Meaning before the year 1967, there was no clarity on this one. So in order to get in the clarity, 25th Amendment took place in the year 1967, and now there is a clear-cut scene where the vice president can take over. Very, very, very important. Now look at this. Now in this particular case, how this particular 25th Amendment can be triggered. Here, the vice president and a majority of the cabinet could declare the president unable to discharge the powers and duties of his office. So this should be decided by the vice president and majority of the cabinet. if you look at the cabinet, most of the members have started resigning from the cabinet of Mr. Donald Trump. In fact, Donald Trump insisted the Vice President Mike Pence to go against the decision and go against the decision of the election of Joe Biden as the president. But Mike Pence went absolutely under the constitution, and he declared that election everything went on well, and the declaration has been made that Joe Biden is to be the next president of United States of America. Now, if the president disputes that determination, two-thirds of both the houses, meaning of both the house, meaning the lower house, and the Senate, the upper house, both put together is called Congress. So, two-thirds of both the house and the Senate must vote to put the vice president in charge. So, meaning is simple. Initially, the vice president and the cabinet must take a decision for replacing the existing president. If the president, that is Mr. Donald Trump, contests, then a vote can take place in both the houses of American Congress. That is nothing but the Parliament of America. So both the lower house and upper house, if they are accepting by special majority, then that will formalize that vice president takes the charge as the president. But since this is a very, very short period, what exactly is going to do? So we need to wait and watch. But since it was completely a shame, big shame on American democracy because of just one person's activity, and that is the reason why they may take it seriously, and the president may be removed from the office. But we need to wait and watch for this. Thank you so much for being with me, and I wish you all a very, very good luck.